Hello and welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make veg Caesar salad, which has crispy romaine lettuce and crunchy croutons tossed with creamy vegetarian Caesar dressing that makes a delicious healthy side dish or meal. So friends, let's get started with this interesting salad recipe. So to make croutons, I have taken here 3 white bread slices, which I will first cut lengthwise and then into medium cubes like this. I'll transfer this to a plate. Next here I have taken a bunch of romaine lettuce, which I will roughly chop them. Alright, this is done. Then you'll also need some grated Parmesan cheese, which is an essential ingredient in Caesar dressing. This should be enough, and now we shall prepare the salad dressing. For that, take a bowl and into it goes 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. I have added here diet mayonnaise. Next goes 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Then I'm going to mince 2 garlic pods using this garlic crusher, which is going to enhance the flavor of our salad dressing. Next goes the juice of half a lemon, 1/4 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and now into this goes the grated Parmesan cheese. For seasoning goes some salt as per taste and a pinch of black pepper. And now we'll mix all the ingredients well so that they are well combined. And our thick and creamy Caesar salad dressing is ready. And now time to saute the croutons. For that, heat a pan and into it goes a cube of butter. We'll spread the butter on all the sides of the pan. And now into it we will add the bread cubes. And on medium flame we will saute them until they turn crisp and golden brown from all the sides. We season them with a pinch of mixed herbs. And now our croutons are also ready, so I will take them off. Next we'll take a mixing bowl and into it we will add the chopped romaine lettuce, which will form the base of our Caesar salad. Then here I've added some cherry tomatoes. This is optional though. And now we'll add the prepared veg Caesar dressing. We'll toss this well. And because of this creamy and delicious salad dressing, the Caesar salad turns so very good. So mixing is done, and now time to serve our Caesar salad. And friends, here goes our veg Caesar salad, which you can enjoy as a side dish or meal. On top goes the crispy croutons, as well as some shaved Parmesan cheese to complete our Caesar salad. So friends, I hope you'll try this delicious and interesting veg Caesar salad. Also, I would love to hear your feedbacks, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do so for more interesting and yummy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.